All right, hey everybody, welcome to the Acne Chef. My name is Thomas Grabowski, and today we're going to be learning how to make a real organic whole food chicken. Okay, so for this recipe, you'll need 3 to 4 pound organic, preferably grass-fed chicken. And what we're going to do is simply season the chicken and throw it in the oven for an hour. This is one of the greatest ways to do some meal prepping, and this is honestly one of the first kind of recipes that I first started to cook and play around with when I first started on my, acne clear journey. And the beauty of this is that there's so much versatility with the whole chicken. You can cut it into pieces, you can make wraps out of it, you can throw it in salads, you can even boil it in a pot with water and make a soup. So unless you're allergic to chicken or you have an intolerance to chicken, there's really no reason why you shouldn't be adding an organic whole food chicken into your diet. It's just a very easy and convenient way to have a good quality protein ready in your fridge whenever you need it. So if you want to look and feel your best and honestly start clearing up your skin from the inside out by eating real organic whole foods, I would strongly recommend you try this recipe out. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the recipe. So before you start, you're going to want to set up your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so to start this one off, I'm just going to use some salt and pepper to season the chicken. So what I'm going to do here, I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to season the breast here. So I'm going to season the breast, then I'm going to flip the chicken on the side, and then I'm going to season the thigh and the leg as well as the wing. Also, you can lift up the wing and cover the side of the breast as well, which is usually missed when seasoning the chicken. So I'm going to start with seasoning with some salt and pepper. Okay, and then once I season with smoked paprika, my last seasoning here is an all-purpose seasoning. If you like, you can also use a chicken seasoning. This seasoning alone is perfect on chicken. You don't even have to add salt and pepper. So if you're really in a pinch, just buy a really good grilling seasoning. This is an organic chicken seasoning by Watkins. Highly recommended. So I'm simply gonna put the all-purpose seasoning on the chicken as well. Okay, so when you're done, you're gonna have one beautiful looking organic chicken there. Once you coated your chicken with seasonings, I'm just gonna take some organic olive oil. Ideally, you wanna use avocado oil since it's heat resistant, but you can also use olive oil, which is my typical go-to, but just use whatever you have. Now, the little trick I use here is I cover about 3/4 of the top with my thumb. I just want to kind of drizzle the oil over just a nice drizzle. All right, and when you're done with that, throw it in the oven and cook it for 1 hour. And after an hour, you're gonna have a delicious, cooked, nicely amazing chicken. All right, guys, if you wanna see more cooking videos like this, feel free to like and subscribe. And until then, I will see you guys on the other side.